Hello there. The government of Meghalaya has launched the Chief Minister's E-Championship Challenge for the most promising entrepreneurs of the state. If you have an innovation-based business or are an early-stage enterprise, Prime will assist and support you and help you with your challenges to get your business to the next level while participating in Prime's 9-month incubation program.
Rewards and benefits. Top 50 selected entrepreneurs will receive the following benefits. Business support grant ₹2 lakh for top 25 and ₹1 lakh for bottom 25. Recognition certificate awarded from Meghalaya Government and IIM Calcutta Innovation Park. Dedicated one-on-one mentoring with seasoned industry experts and professionals to guide and handhold the entrepreneurs.
Capacity building, regular boot camps, trainings and workshops related to entrepreneurial development in order to build a sustainable and growth-oriented business. Access to funding. Funding opportunities available under Prime such as grants, loans, capital ventures, etc. Access to markets. Connect to buyers in and outside Meghalaya.
Free co-working spaces. Incubators are offered the benefits of co-working spaces in the vibrant Prime hubs at Shillong and Tura. Visibility and networking. Prime Hub has a strong network in both the local and national media as well as social media channels. Support on marketing and legal services. Assured assistance on a plethora of subjects such as logo designing, branding, accounting, website making, and legal advice on the establishment of your company.
Opportunity to collaborate with successful existing entrepreneurs of the state. Incubated startups will be eligible for startup tools. Exposure to global practices on entrepreneurship to the most promising startup during the incubation program. Bottom 50 will transition to the pre-incubation program subject to qualification.
The applicant should be an adult citizen of India. The applicant should be a domicile resident of Meghalaya. The applicant should have an existing business in Meghalaya and be able to show first traction or revenues.
The applicant should work on innovative and scalable business model, product, solution or processes that have potential to create employment opportunities in Meghalaya. In case if the applicant has an existing business or startup, then it should not be older than 6 years.
The Chief Minister's E-Championship Challenge 4.0. Build your innovative business and make yourself and Meghalaya shine. Apply now. Visit www.primemeghalaya.com/CMECC. Application closes on the 15th of September 2023. Contact us for more details. Get incubated at Prime and take your business to the next level.